Money Moves with Memphis 2.0, the podcast. And always remember, gentlemen, it's a mother movie. So today we're going to be reacting to the devastating news of rapper Project Pat's son fatally shot in Memphis, Tennessee. And we're going to be talking about the irony of, of this case. And we're going to be talking about the city of Memphis in particular. And we're going to compare it to other black communities all across the country. And we're going to take a look at Project Pat, and we're going to make we're going to give our own personal perspectives as well. So without further ado, make sure you guys please like, share, and subscribe, and let's hop straight into the content.
Thank you so much, Andrew. The violent crime plaguing our city has now hit home for one of Memphis's most well-known rappers. Project Pat's son was killed in a shooting in a park right across the street from the airport. Fox 15's investigative reporter Kayla Solomon is putting the pieces together from the shooting that happened in the middle of the winter storm. Kayla.
Yeah, it happened almost 2 weeks ago on the Friday when Memphis was hit by a half foot of snow. Police were called to a park in the Imogene Heights neighborhood and found a man dead.
Guys, I've been telling you, I've been telling a lot of you guys, you gotta get out of these areas where it's predominantly black. Where, I can understand if people had, if the majority of people in these black areas, like in Memphis, were good people, trying to get their credit up, going to work, taking care of the kids, but we have seen countless numbers of times of shootings, guys getting killed. And my question is, like, with rapper Project Pat, which I was raised on 3 6 Mafia and stuff like that, and it's just the music that these guys was making, a lot of the music that these guys are making, the gangster, the bang bang, drugs, robbing people and stuff. This bred the culture in Memphis, bro. Like, when we could have took the culture a whole different way, we could have took the culture in our communities a whole different way. Most rappers decided to profit off of gangster music, bro. And it's sad that, it's sad that people are affected by this. You got little kids, girls, people who don't even want to be involved in the streets, end up in the crosshairs of some BS. It's absolutely insane.
He was later identified as 21-year-old Patrick Houston Jr. Today, Fox 13 confirmed he was the son of Memphis rapper Project Pat. He's been a big name in the rap world since the early 90s. He achieved big success featuring on 3 6 Mafia albums. One of his own albums went gold. He also rose to fame in the group The Kazi. He's the brother of Juicy J, one of the founders of 3 6 Mafia. But in Memphis, he's also known for his prison ministry, his nonprofit called the Go Foundation.
You see the irony of him having my boy got in a prison ministry or whatever. Somewhere deep down, I feel like this man knows, like, the music and how it influenced the brains of a lot of us. You know what I'm saying? Maybe he didn't know. Maybe he didn't know how But how can you push two things at one time? Like, are this gonna be gangster music, or is it gonna be ministry? You know, are you gonna take the people in another direction? You know, no matter what gang or whatever, you know what I'm saying, we all brothers. You hear me? We all brothers. And a lot of times, a lot of this music, guys be forgetting that they can be an electrician, they can be a carpenter, you know what I'm saying? They could be a contractor making the same amount of money. You know, it's absolutely insane. I really didn't want to do a topic on this, but my condolences. I just feel like the irony of the whole of the whole situation. Like Memphis is like heaven or something. You know what I'm saying? Like it's crazy, bro. Like insane that things like this is still happening, and like it's normal in a lot of cities like Memphis. You know, day after day after day after day after day. And like I said, the infrastructure of Memphis needs to be changed. You know, some of the politicians, mayors need to be out of office. You know, because they don't really care about the community and stuff like that. You know, every time I go to Memphis, I'm like, dang, I've been gone for 30 years and ain't nobody paving the roads. Ain't nobody, building luxury high rises, making it convenient and safe, making black people from this area multimillionaires, business owners. No, but now, but like somewhere deep down, this shit crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got respect for, just because I got respect for Project Pat. I got respect for 3-6, you know what I'm saying? Just because the fact that I understand, you know what I'm saying? Like I understand the streets and not being able to get out of it, you know what I'm saying? And not knowing nothing else. And a lot of times when you don't expand your horizon and everybody around you doing the same thing or ain't leveling up, then hey, it gets crazy. But man, that's all I got for the video. Well, let's finish it.
Goes into prisons where Project Pat speaks. He says he's helped more than 4,000 prisoners give their lives to God in the past 5 years.
So God gives people out here gifts of heaven. People out here have gifts of importance.
It don't make sense, bro. Like, it's a gangster or is a God, bro. Like I know, like we rocking with, everybody believe in God, but the music is, I'm just at a point in my life, like, listening to all the different rappers and stuff, and then watching the young guys walk around on dummy missions, so, it's sad, bro.
I was using my gift in the wrong way.
So far, police have not released any
That's some real shit what he just said, too.
information about the shooter or what was going on in the park that afternoon in the middle of a snowstorm. But they are asking you to call Crime Stoppers if you have any information. Darcy?
That is Fox 13's Kayla Solomon live in studio tonight. Thank you, Kayla.
Yep. It's absolutely insane, guys. That's all I got for the video. It's crazy. When will it change? When will people value doing the right thing, you know? That shit crazy. I can't wait to follow up on this story. Hopefully they catch the guy who did this, or the person who did this, so I can react to their sentencing. Cause you know we react to those. But I'm gonna holler at you guys on the next video. And then it's crazy because like Project Pat is like in the prisons and stuff, and you're gonna get sent to a prison in Memphis where Project Pat is a minister for guys who got life in prison and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So hey man, like I said, bro, we don't know when, you know, when God, you know, will call us home, you know, you know, my condolences, you know what I'm saying, to Pat, but at the same time, bro, like you push, I just feel like, bro, you push gangster, and I remember I actually believe in you guys. Like, I remember when I was young, I actually believe in you. Like, and still to this day believe in you. Like, but guys, this is all I got on the video, man. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and always remember, fellas, it's a mother movie. Over and out.